All right, Rankin family. So we are looking at the beautiful Toll Brothers. This is the Donnelly model. This one's going to be in Sienna. And of course, this is going to be the model house. I want to bring you the best of the best. So we'll go ahead and enter. So as soon as you walk in, you're greeted with this beautiful foyer with the tray ceilings that we so much love inside of here. And then this is going to be your study right here. Immediately to the left, you have the exposed beams on top. We haven't seen that particular design inside of a study, but I'd love to hear your thoughts below. And you have this beautiful lighting fixture right here. You definitely have a great amount of space inside of here for any furniture or desk. I love the way they set this up. Of course, the interior designer, they always do a fantastic job. And then right here to the left, you're going to have your powdered bath. I love the chandelier coming down inside of this one. You have wood flooring that's going to be extending in the powder bath as well. And the good thing is you will have your coat closet. Right there to the right is the sales office, but of course it would be converted into a garage if you were to buy the inventory. And if you were to buy a model house when it becomes for sale, then you don't have to worry about that. They'll convert that within 30 to 45 days. And this is your beautiful kitchen right here. I love the cabinet crowns on top. You do have all the white cabinetry inside of here that complements one another. You have your farmhouse sink right here. You definitely have a great amount of space. For this one being a smaller square footage, I wanted to bring you a lot of the plans, especially from Toll Brothers. I mean, they are one of the most sought after builders in the greater Houston area, without a doubt. And we'll take a right before we go into the great room. You're gonna have a full bath right here with the shower tub combo. You got tile flooring inside of here as well. And this will be your first bedroom. I love this type of carpet in here. You have the 5-inch baseboards along here, and I definitely love the lighting fixture coming down. It's a candlelight chandelier right over the bed, and we'll look to see how much space we have in the closet. So it's not a ton of space. I always love the walk-in closets just because no matter how big your wardrobe is, you'll have ample amount of space, but that'll definitely do. Before we go into the second bedroom, you have a closet right here in between the two, and this will be your second bedroom. So I love the space in here. It's not the biggest, but I think it's adequate just depending on what you're using it for. You know, Toll Brothers, they have a ton of different plans. I've showcased the Ashby, showcased a couple more, and just depending on one, your budget, but more importantly, how much room you need, this may or may not fit what you need. And this, you have a little breakfast area, or I could see you putting a nice sized dining table. I wouldn't have a dining table too big if of course, if I own this home, just because it would take up a bunch of space, but really just depends what you like. And then going inside of your great room, you have that oversized LED ceiling fan. I love the exposed beams. I just think it adds such a nice touch. We've been seeing that quite a bit lately, and it just really gives that modernness. I love, love, love the electric fireplace. Look how gorgeous that is. I know I get a lot of comments as far as putting the fireplace off-centered. Well, I think this is perfect just because it's right there, dead center in the middle. And you do have your built-in shelves. Of course, a lot of these are going to be upgrades. You may say some of it is overkill. Some of it may make sense for you, just depending on what you want. All right. And then this is going to be your primary bath. So with the tray ceilings on top, with the accent wall. I love that accent wall. Let's take a look at this. Wow. Just had to see that. And so you have your windows, adding in the natural light that we so much love. And of course, if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. I really appreciate you for dropping in again for another property tour. And if this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marcus Rankin. I'm a Texas realtor. I get calls, texts, and emails every single week from folks looking to make a move out here. So if you are in that bucket now or in the future, don't hesitate to reach out to the information below. And I highly suggest you consider hitting that subscribe button just so you know when I drop a new video every week. So you have your super shower inside of here with your shower bench, which is perfect. You got tile flooring along here, and you got your dual sinks. You got the black trim. You have these dark green cabinets right here. I think it complements this stone right here as far as the countertops is concerned. And then you have your nice size walk-in closet. Again, this is on the smaller side of the square footage compared to a lot of the other homes that we showcase, but it really just depends on your budget. Sometimes folks want a nice size property, but really don't want something that'll break the bank. This may be a good option for you. Okay. And then I'll pan one more time through the property before we head to the backyard. Gorgeous. And then let's go ahead and take a look at the backyard right here. You got the covered backyard patio, which we so much love. You got enough space out here just for your patio equipment, plus over here for a nice bonfire. And then just depending on your lot size, this is what we're working with. So if it's something where you're on a budget or you really want luxury without spending a ton of money, this may be perfect for you. So that, folks, is the lovely Toll Brothers. All right, Rankin family, so that was the lovely Toll Brothers. I hope you loved it just as much as I did. Again, this is something that if you don't want to break the bank, but you still want luxury, this may be the perfect plan for you. And if you have a little bit more change to spare, I highly recommend the Ashby model or other floor plans that are bigger. So of course, if you want more information, reach out to the information below, and I'll see you folks on the next property tour.